Twistleton Street in Caledon, beautiful Southfield village community. This is a 4-bedroom detached house sitting on a double garage. The lot is 36 foot wide and it's 105 feet depth. You're most welcome to come check this house over this weekend on an open house between 2 p.m. till 4 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. I'll be more than welcome to walk you through the home. Let's take a quick tour of this house and let's take off this coming to soon sign. Thank you so much. As soon as you enter into this beautiful home, you're welcome with this huge open to below foyer area with a lot of natural sunlight coming throughout the house. Family and dining room, you get a lot of space, and on top of that you are welcome to this beautiful kitchen with this double central island. And look at this kitchen, it's beautiful backsplash and modern appliances throughout, and you have this pot filler faucet attached. Finally, let's welcome to this beautiful backyard of this home. It is sitting right across a trail. You have beautiful view. It's quite neighborhood, and on top of that, the gazebo setup is just beautiful with the lighting in the evening. Enjoy your coffee, enjoy your dinner in this backyard, and you will enjoy this home more than anything. If you have any other questions, you can give me a call at 647-333-2090. Thank you.